Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on MyChart. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in mychart.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official MyChart website. Now just click on the Access MyChart button and you will be asked to choose your location. Just enter your location within the search box or choose one from the options below. And now click on the login button for your respective healthcare provider. Once you click on this button, you will be taken into the login portal. Just type in your username that you have set up while signing up for your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and now you will be logged into your MyChart account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on MyChart. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.